Oh no! The animals are lost. They don't know how to get home. Can you help them find their way back? Every animal has a special home, a place where they feel safe and happy. Let's explore the 3 magical places they might live. Sky home, for animals that fly high, where birds soar and clouds drift by. Water home, for animals that splash and swim, where fish glide and frogs jump in. Land home, just like us, where animals walk, hop, or crawl across the ground. Some animals can live in more than one place. Isn't that amazing? But today, we're only helping animals that have just one home. Your mission is to imagine where each animal belongs and guide it to the right home. Are you ready to be a hero for these tiny paws, wings, and flippers? Let's go! Let's start with the first animal. Mr. Shark. Where does the shark live?
The water.
Yes. It lives in the water. Sharks have been around longer than dinosaurs, over 400 million years. Sharks live in oceans all around the world, from shallow coral reefs to deep-sea trenches. Where does this cute little cat live?
The land.
Correct. Meow Meow lives on the land. Domestic cats love cozy indoor spaces, but wild cats live in forests, deserts, and even snowy mountains. Did you know that cats can make over 100 different sounds, meow, purr, chirp, and more? Where does the beautiful butterfly live?
The sky.
Brilliant! Butterflies flutter in the sky. Butterflies live in gardens, meadows, and rainforests, anywhere with flowers to sip nectar from. Fun fact, butterflies taste with their feet. Where does mommy kangaroo and its baby live?
The land.
Yes. The land, they hop on the land. Kangaroos live in Australia's open grasslands and bushlands, where they bounce across wide spaces. Want to know a little secret? Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Where does the hummingbird live?
The sky.
Very good. It flies through the sky. Hummingbirds are native to Americas. They live in gardens, forests, and even high mountain meadows. Hummingbirds flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Where does the manatee live?
The water.
Correct, manatee drifts in the water. Manatees live in warm, shallow waters like rivers and coastal bays, especially in Florida and the Caribbean. Manatees are nicknamed sea cows and munch on plants all day. Oh no! Help the lost falcon to its house.
The sky.
Yes, falcon soars in the sky. Falcons are the fastest animals on Earth, diving at over 240 miles per hour. Falcons live everywhere except Antarctica, from deserts to cities, even nesting on skyscrapers. Where does this bright jellyfish live?
The water.
Great! Jellyfish live in the water. It floats in the water. Jellyfish live in every ocean, from shallow shores to deep-sea trenches. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, or bones, but some can glow in the dark. Where does this friendly dog live?
The land.
True. Dog lives on the land. Dogs live in homes, farms, and cities, but wild dogs roam forests, deserts, and savannas. Did you know that a dog's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint? Help Miss Owl find its home.
The sky.
Wonderful! Owl glides through the sky. Owls live on every continent except Antarctica, in forests, deserts, and even snowy tundra. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Isn't that amazing? Where does the cuckoo chicken live?
The land.
Correct. Chicken homing on the land. It pecks on the land. Chickens live in coops, farms, and backyards, but their wild ancestors came from Southeast Asian jungles. Fun fact, chickens can recognize over 100 faces, human and animal. Little superheroes, please guide the octopus to its home.
The water.
Correct, little superheroes. Octopus's home is in the water. Octopuses live in oceans worldwide, from coral reefs to deep-sea caves. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Find the seahorse's house.
The water.
Yes. The house is in the water. Seahorses live in shallow coastal waters, clinging to seaweed and coral with their curly tails. It's the daddy seahorse who carries the babies. Where does the strong horse live?
The land.
Wonderful. It runs on the land. Wild horses live in open plains, deserts, and grassy hills. Domestic ones love stables and pastures. Did you know that horses can sleep standing up? Where does the little dragonfly live?
The sky.
Yes. It zips through the sky. Dragonflies can fly in all directions, even backwards. Dragonflies start life underwater and live near ponds, lakes, and wetlands. Where does Nemo cousin, the clownfish, live?
The water.
Brilliant! It swims in the water. Clownfish live in coral reefs, snuggled safely inside sea anemones. Fun, surprising fact, all clownfish are born male, some turn female later. Where does the scary lion live?
The land.
Yes. The scary lion stays in land home. It prowls on the land. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions live in African savannas and grasslands, where they form social groups called prides. Where does the eagle live?
The sky.
True. It glides through the sky. Eagles live near mountains, forests, and rivers. Some even nest on cliffs or tall trees. Eagles can spot prey from 3 kilometers away. Where does the hard-working bee live?
The sky.
Correct. It buzzes through the sky. Bees have 5 eyes and do a waggle dance to share flower locations. Bees live in hives, hollow trees, and underground burrows. Some even nest in gardens and rooftops. Please help the fluffy panda to go home.
The land.
Yes. Its home is on the land. Pandas live in cool, misty bamboo forests high in China's mountains. Did you know Thai pandas spend up to 12 hours a day eating bamboo? Dear superheroes, our last mission for today is to help sweet, brilliant dolphin to find its home.
The water.
Correct. Dolphin lives in the water. It swims and leaps in the water. Dolphins live in warm coastal waters, estuaries, and even rivers. Some species prefer coral reefs or deep ocean zones. Dolphins have names. Each one has a unique whistle to identify themselves. Today, you became an animal hero. You helped Mr. Shark, octopus, clownfish, seahorse, and dolphin find their way back to their watery home. You guided Lil Cat, chicken, dog, horse, scary lion, panda, and kangaroo safely to their land home. And you did a wonderfully kind job sending butterfly, owl, eagle, falcon, bee, dragonfly, and hummingbird soaring back to their sky home. Yay! All the animals are home safe and sound. You did it, little superhero. You're a true animal hero. They're so happy, and it's all because of you. Thank you for helping the animals find their home, superhero. Like and subscribe for more adventure. Let's go.